Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. We're going to take a look at the S&P and more specifically what's happening today, the day after FOMC, which was yesterday on Thursday. So the S&P, if you're one of our members and you watched the member video yesterday, you know we talked about the indices forming shooting stars on the dailies. And what a shooting star is when we have a really long wick to the upside, then come down and have a close lower than the open at the bottom of the range of the price bar. So we ended up having a shooting star right after breaking through resistance. So it ended up looking very much like a false break. And so far, as you can see, S&P has started to sell off and has been coming down. And if you draw a trend line and going up across these lows here, we're actually poking through this trend line here today, which is somewhat bearish for the S&P as well. So be watching this market next. If we can break this week's low next week, because as of right now we're forming a doji. If we break this week's low next week, then we'll have a very nice momentum inflection to the downside on a weekly basis, which could lead us all the way back down to that 1840 level over the next couple of weeks. So be paying attention to that. So far it's looking bearish. Nice job for those of you that traded the short off the shooting star from yesterday. Worked out really well so far today. But that's all I have for you for today. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and I will see you in the trading room bright and early on Monday. Until next time, happy trading.